all looking for that little cottage, waterfront cottage to get away? Here it is. Welcome to 118 Sandpiper Drive. This lovely home has been updated. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, so you can have this great island, open space, all brand new, and it leads out to, hey, what are we living here for? The lake. And we can enjoy our dining out here and look at this wonderful table with great views. Now we're outside on the oversized, grandfathered in double boathouse, 4.5 feet deep water the day of the listing. And this great cove, they're very social here. Everyone gets together and hangs out in the cove. What a great place to not worry about boat traffic, and it's safety for all the little ones to swim and hang out. So don't miss this one. Give me a call today, 252-673-5033.